Hi, my name is 𝗕𝗂𝗀. I'm a data scientist at 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗵𝗁 in the United Kingdom. I started my career as a B.Tech student in 2015 in the Department of Civil Engineering, Ashoka Institute of Technology Management, Varanasi. I had a lot of good experience here. For example, I participated in extracurricular activities. I was part of, but I also participated in Techfests. I also organized Techfests in the last year. The faculties here motivated me to take internships outside the country and in famous institutes in the India. Other than that, I was able to learn softwares like STAAD.Pro, 𝗕𝗵𝘂𝗀𝗵, Revit, and in 2019 I ended up getting an offer for Masters of Science in Swansea University, United Kingdom. It was a 2-year master's. The subject was computational mechanics, which is a combination of mechanical engineering and computer science. In 2021, I ended up getting a PhD, which was funded by UK Atomic Energy Authority, and it was primarily funded by Swansea University. It was a 2 year master's, which eventually led me to a PhD, which was again funded by UK, and it was a 3 years PhD program. At the end of the PhD, they offered me a job. My message for the students is to try and dive into more and more interdisciplinary work, right? Participate in Techfest and also try extracurricular activities for the overall growth of the personality.